Hi friends, welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. This video is on step-by-step guide to pecan nut farming. Pecan nut farming is a long-term investment dependent on the producer making the correct choices early in the business. Pecan trees need 285 days a year for growing, with warm nights. The crop can handle frost, as the cold ensures the tree goes into complete dormancy, which ensures even growth in spring. Pecan nuts. Pecan is one of the important nut fruits grown in the world. Pecan kernels are a good source of nutritional value. This nut is native to Mexico, South Central, and Southeastern regions of the USA. Health benefits of pecan. Pecans are good for cardiovascular health, digestive health, good for bone and teeth health, weight loss, reducing blood pressure, strengthening the immune system, preventing skin problems, and preventing hair loss. Pecans reduce the risk of heart stroke and also have anti-inflammatory benefits. Climate requirement for pecan farming. Pecan nut trees prefer warm climatic conditions and are well adapted to subtropical areas. Pecans also thrive well in regions having short, cold winters and long and very hot summers. This nut requires 8 to 9 months of growing season with a mean temperature above 27 degrees Celsius. For good flowering and budding, it requires low temperatures and even frost during the June to August months. As rainfall is concerned, it prefers medium to low rainfall during its growth period. Soil requirement for pecan farming. Pecans can be grown on a wide range of soils. However, they grow well in fertile, well-drained, well-aerated deep sandy loam soils rich in good organic matter. The soil pH of 6.2 to 6.5 is ideal for its cultivation. Propagation in pecan farming. Pecan plants are propagated by seeds as well as vegetative means. Rootstock plants are raised through seeds and grafted or budded with the desired varieties. Cuttings, stooling, grafting, and budding methods are successful in vegetative propagation. Irrigation in pecan farming. Pecan trees require more water compared to other nut trees. Proper irrigation will result in quality nuts and good yield. This also improves kernel yield, nut weight, size, and oil content. Pecan trees can be irrigated through basin, sprinkler, furrow, and drip irrigation methods. Integrated pecan farming. As pecan plants have a lot of interspace and come into late bearing, farmers can use this for a couple of years to cultivate intercrops like cowpea, soya bean, tomato, peas, pulses, beans, and any low-growing fruit crops. The cover crops improve the soil nitrogen levels and prevent soil erosion. Pecan nut farming in India. Pecan nut is one of the most important temperate nuts grown in India. It is mainly grown in Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. The total area under pecan nut production is increasing due to its high economic returns and adaptation to the intermediate zone of Jammu. However, due to its high nutritional value and health benefits, pecan farming has a great future in India. Harvesting in pecan farming. Pecan nuts should be harvested when the pod is split open and separated from the nuts. Early harvesting should be avoided for better quality of nuts. In India, most of the pecan varieties are ready for harvesting in October. Conclusion. On average, a fully matured pecan tree will produce about 25 to 30 kilograms. However, yield depends on the cultivar and farm management practices. Some successful farmers say it's an expensive and long-term investment. If done properly, it could ensure an income for many generations to come. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the video with your friends. And subscribe to our channel, Discover Agriculture.